This was the situation back in August. Note the piles of spoil and the unfinished roof. There's still glazing work to be done, and there's work taking place on the west side. Inside levels are approaching readiness for concrete, and power cabinets appear to have arrived. With the metal roof complete, it appears excess supplies are being removed. Returning to the site in October, we find that the EPDM roofing material has been laid, and we're now seeing riverstone laid to retain it and to provide additional ballast. It's a pretty slick process requiring skilled work and experience, and the odd machine. The results are pretty impressive. However, when it comes to finishing the edges of the roof, there's no substitute for skilled hands. Down at ground level, on the north side, form workers have returned to work on the approach to the warehouse area. Coming up to date, this month, we can see significant changes. The store frontage and car park are being worked on, and HVAC units are in place on the roof. It's quite clear that whatever may be happening inside, work on the frontage and all the doors and windows is well advanced. The formwork we saw earlier on the north side was to prepare the ramps for the warehouse docks. Nearby, a major effort by Environmentall is being made to install the remaining in-ground infrastructure in several locations around the site. Note the light base behind the loader. You can see another couple here as work is done to level the car park for paving. A quick visit to the roof reveals that gas lines, now installed, are being painted yellow to match regulatory standards. They stand out pretty well as we cross the roof to look down on continuing infrastructure work. Providing and connecting the essential utilities involves a great deal of work and a real team effort. Safely supplying power to this line of lights is a good example. There are many trenches serving different needs, but all requiring complete concentration and conformity to plan. On any project, when you see concrete curbing taking place, it's a very encouraging sign. We'll close the update there with a promise to return soon, suggesting that you consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.